you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to blow your mind with some New Jersey fabulousness. I am so pumped for this recipe. I am a Jersey girl, a very proud Jersey girl, everyone knows that, and I'm going to take a very popular Jersey breakfast and make it into one of my favorite foods, a quesadilla. Now, the thing about Jersey, the thing about probably most places, is that there is not a good breakfast that does not come with a mimosa. I don't care who you are, what you're doing, mimosas are fabulous. You know they're the way to my heart. Bubbles, 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 I love them. So we're going to say cheers and then get going. So if you do not know about what Jersey breakfast I am talking about, then shame on you, because I am of course talking about delicious Taylor ham, egg and cheese, or pork roll, egg and cheese. Yes, it's a huge debate. Yes, I'm caught in the middle from where I grew up and now where I live. It's crazy. We're not going to go there, but we are going to make a pork roll, egg and cheese quesadilla. Like every good quesadilla, we're going to start with a really good flour tortilla and just put it down into our pan that is warming. We are then going to add 2 slices of American cheese because this amazing breakfast sandwich comes with American cheese, pork roll or Taylor ham, and egg. And then, of course, SPK. Come on. And then we're going to add our other ingredients. So we're going to do a little bit of our scrambled egg here that I just scrambled up on my stove as you would normally. You could also experiment with different types of like cooked eggs. If you want to try like a fried egg in here, go ahead. After that, you are going to add delicious pork roll. I fried mine up in my pan before I did my egg. That way my egg got a little bit of that pork roll fat on it. I mean, genius. I know. You guys watch for a reason. But I'm going to put the pork roll right into my quesadilla. And I'm going to be generous because I want a lot of freaking pork roll in this. This is not something that you make for like Meatless Monday or when you're trying to be healthy during the week. This is when you're having that mimosa on a Saturday. And you can have all the cheese and pork. Yes, I said cheese. It's a joke. But you can have all the cheese and pork roll that you want. Then I'm going to hit mine with a little bit of pepper to get that SPK, salt, pepper, ketchup feel. I actually don't add salt. I think the pork roll is salty enough. But hey, I mean, you guys do you. And then we're going to put 2 more slices of American cheese on top of our little mixture here. And then 1 more flour tortilla and push it down. So you're going to get your quesadilla going on your stovetop and you're going to cover it so the cheese can melt quick without burning the outside of your quesadilla shell. After a few minutes of cooking, you're going to flip to the other side, get those good grill marks, and allow the other side to cook. Once your cheese is melted, you're pulling it off, cutting it up, and getting ready to dig in. And when it is done, you have this delicious breakfast sandwich quesadilla. It is so good. Look at that. Can you see inside there? That looks epic. And of course, you serve it with a side of ketchup. Get over yourselves if you don't like eggs and ketchup. It's phenomenal. And, oh my God. And I told you this Jersey girl was going to blow your mind today, and I hope that I did. And I hope that you think of me when you make yourself this breakfast sandwich quesadilla. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Cheers, guys. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.